Wow!
สวัสดีเจ้าทุกคนผู้ใหญ่ข้างไทยจักทีนยาเลยกินแล้วไหมไม่กินหรอหิวไหมไปกินเลยเร็วๆ ไม่หิวหรอ สิเปาฟันเหมา OK 未試過，不你食啦 OK。So 咧，如果你哋今日有前幾日睇到我個 post 然之後，你睇到呢個嘢就知道我今日會同大家傾啲乜嘢啦。就係、我哋細個所坐過啲公共嘅巴士。So 如果你哋對於今日嘅問題有啲咩問題或者有啲咩故仔想同我一齊分享，你哋可以留低你嘅口述話俾我聽 OK。So 我會俾大家1分鐘嘅時間。6點50分我哋就開始 ，OK？ 係啦。今日我覺得最近天氣又變冷咗，唔知係咪因為香港個颱風8號風球嘅關係咧，所以我哋就會我哋嗰個風先至可以吹到嚟我哋馬來西亞呢度，咁我哋先至有水落。如果唔係咧，啲會唔會走嘅？又冇風又冇雨，點樣走法呢？喂，除非有一陣風飛過嚟啦，8號風球。好啦，可以開始啦。So 其實咧，我記得因為我細個嘅時候，尤其是讀小學、中學嘅時候，其實係冇咩機會坐呢啲公共嘅巴士，因為父母都有載啊嘛，咁我就冇似其他嗰啲學生咁樣係有得坐學校嘅巴士，咁我就冇嘅。咁我通常都係父母揸車比較多。其實我有如果係話愛坐呢啲公共巴士，其實都係有1-2次嘅啫。OK， 咁我記得有一次咧，就係應該係小學係嘛？係有一次去一個 outing 係咪啊？係啊，好似去一個 outing。OK， 就嗰時候係坐個比較大堂嘅 bus siaran。OK， 嗰啲大堂，因為仲有2個老師加我哋40幾個學生，所以我記得頭一次應該係去 Petrol Science 係啦，去 Petrol Science 咧就係我哋坐一堂 bus siaran。如果我冇記錯係 bus siaran。OK， bus siaran 係。之後有一次咧，我仲記得就係我記得係我嘅表姐讀6年級，咁我就讀5年級。咁有一日咧，我哋就約咗一個星期六就同佢嘅朋友一齊出街。咁當時咧就有呢個靚聲巴士嘅，我仲記得。嗰時候我哋好似5年級得我一個啫，其餘嗰啲都係佢嘅朋友6年級嘅，冚唪唥都6年級嘅。OK。咁我又要講翻，我唔知點解我傻傻地嗰時候會有點解會去着一件 Spice Girl 嘅黑色嘅衫咧？貪靚啊，係啦，就係因為唔知道其實黑色嘅衫咧，其實嗰個太陽嘅嗰個熱咧，係其實嗰個黑色嘅衫係會吸入去，即是會佢嗰件衫係會吸嗰個熱度嘅，所以如果你着住黑色嘅衫出街咧，肯定會好熱嘅。呢個我係唔知嘅，因為當時得5年級，呢個道理我唔明，所以我就係為咗貪靚先至而着 Spice Girl 嘅黑色嘅衫。OK， 所以嗰時候咧就因為貪平啊、貪經濟啦，咁就同大家一齊坐靚聲啊。我記得嗰隻靚聲好似2角錢3角錢啫。係 OK， 係差唔多成2角錢3角錢。坐一段路啦，總之睇下你想坐喺邊度啦。咁我仲記得嗰時有一個 bus conductor， 之講有一個負責收錢嘅人，冇似而家全部嘟走嘅。OK， 以前咧係有一個負責人咧幫我哋收錢嘅。OK， 咁佢就會譬如講你俾咗佢2角錢，佢就俾你一張飛，就一個證明話你已經俾咗錢，或者陣間又佢冇睇到你手揸住一張飛，佢又覺得你好似未俾錢咁樣，所以揸住嗰張飛係俾你一個證據話你已經俾咗錢。OK， 所以我就有坐過呢個靚星嘅巴士，呢個係同我表姐啲6年級嘅朋友同班同學，佢嘅同班同學啦一齊坐靚星嘅，所以嗰時候你可以想像下，就係個靚星巴士冇冷氣嘅，所以係好熱嘅，咁又冇話熱啦，因為嗰時候都仲可以開窗口，所以我哋仲可以之前我哋盡量都係坐近窗口嗰邊，所以仲可以吹風，咁就唔會話好熱，嗰隻都 OK 嘅。OK， 講咗小學啦，中學啦 OK。咁其實 Intra 我覺得都係我喺中學嘅時候錯嘅，咁就一齊講啦嚇。Intra 同 Bus Mini 係點樣一回事嚟嘅？Bus Mini 係因為有一次我記得就係、我哋嘅學校嘅一個 society 啦學會啦，咁就我哋租呢一堂巴士去睇表演啦，咁就租咗呢一堂 Bus Mini 啦。所以我記得係粉紅色嘅 Bus Mini， 我人生入邊喺外出我從來都冇坐過 Bus Mini， 係喺學校坐過嘅啫，就係因為去睇個表演啦。咁我就記得我就比較中意坐後邊個位嘅。咁其實Bus Mini 其實同呢個靚星巴士同一個類型嘅咧，就係冇冷氣機嘅，所以又要吹風啦。所以又要吹風啦，所以我又好中意坐近後邊嗰啲位，開住窗口吹風嘅。所以其實Bus Mini 同靚星有咩分別咧？其實 Bus Mini 個位咧就窄啲嘅，老實講，因為佢唔屬於嗰啲，佢又唔屬於好似嗰啲 bus 嘅相咁樣咁大堂，好似呢張相咁大堂咧就冇咁大堂，佢係細啲嘅，所以個位就好似比較窄啲咯，你坐個位就真係窄啲嘅咯，老實講。咁靚星就闊啲，但係佢又屬於平啲嘅咁樣咯。所以就嗰次就坐咗呢個 Bus Mini 啦，同啲學會啲學生去睇呢個表演嘅時候，就大家一齊坐嗰個 Bus Mini 啦。咁然之後講呢個 Intra Quarter 啦，咁 Intra Quarter 又係咧，有一次我同我朋友一齊出去坐嘅，唔係跟學校出去 trip 嘅 ，OK。唔係跟同學唔係跟學校出 trip 嘅，係自己同朋友一齊出去嘅。咁就 Intra 覺得就貴啲啦，唔知5角錢定6角錢定8角錢，我唔記得咗啦。總之係多過於3角錢㗎啦嚇，3角錢㗎啦，即係5角、6角、8角either one 啦，我唔記得咗，應該係8角錢啦最貴。So 嗰時候係又係有得吹冷氣嘅咯，又好似我頭先話齋，呢個咧如果我冇估錯啦。Intra 好似冇 bus conductor 咗，係你要自己抌錢落個箱度，好似嗰個巴士一到咗，佢一開閘係咪？咁你就要行樓梯上去，咁佢就有一個箱嘅，咁你就要訂，我唔記得係訂5角錢定8角錢，總之係貴啲㗎啦。總之你就要訂個8角錢喺入邊個機嗰度，咁你俾咗就 OK。佢應該有出一個飛嘅，咁嗰時候 Intra 覺得就唔使用嗰個 bus conductor 啦，所以你係直頭訂嗰個錢入嗰個箱度，咁你就喺佢嘅嗰個釘嗰度啦嚇。佢有一支嘢嘅，即係講你俾咗錢之後，佢有一支嘢嘅，佢嘅飛就好似喺嗰度走出嚟。如果我冇記錯嘅話，好似係咁樣用啦 OK， 或者喺嗰個 bus conductor 之後咧，佢睇到你俾錢之後咧，佢就會俾你一張飛，應該係咁樣。但係我嘅印象入邊咧，我覺得好似係冇 bus conductor 嘅咯。你話俾我聽，OK， 我冇咩印象咗，但係我記得係一個箱嘅，所以直頭係掟個錢入錢嗰度。但係我唔知邊個俾飛嘅咧，係咪一個 bus conductor俾你飛咧，定係你自己要打起個印嗰個飛出嚟咧？我唔記得咗 ，OK，I really I can't remember。OK，so 嗰個就比較好啲嘅 ，OK， 嗰個就係吹冷氣啦。到咗你愛嗰，即係講你愛有樂，呢個香港人講㗎啦。如果你係有樂某一個站咧，咁你就要撳嗰個叫咩？叫撳鐘啦 ，OK。所以你撳咗鐘咧，咁嗰個巴士司機就會俾你有樂喺某一個地方，咁你就可以行出去㗎啦，係咁樣樣 ，OK。So 我就要轉台㗎啦。So today I'm going to share with you guys.There are 3 types of public transport that we okay, not just me, including you, okay, including us, everyone, okay, we are in the same generation, okay. So we have been sitting Lenseng bus, bus Persiaran, and mini bus. Okay, so let's talk about bus Persiaran. So how did I get to know about bus Persiaran? Because I remember when I was in primary school, there is one weekend, it's in Saturday. We were having a trip to, I have forgotten, is it a farm? I don't know, I'm not really sure. Is it an ostrich farm, if I'm not mistaken? Yes, because there are 2 teachers over there to look after us. So we have around 20 to 30 students in one bus. So we have to sit on a bigger bus like this one, okay? So in order for us to do that, we have to sit bus Persiaran, okay? So there is like one leisure Saturday day, okay? So that's the story about bus Persiaran, okay? So and after that, there's the other type of the bus would be Lenseng bus, okay? I still remember this one, right? I didn't go a trip with my class or anything with Lenseng bus. I remember I went to a, I don't know what kind of place is that. We were just walking around. We were just hanging around with my cousin sister's friend. Okay, they were year 6 students and I was year 5 student. Okay. I still remember that day. I don't know whether I need to show off or something. I went to wear a Spice Girl black t-shirt because I didn't know the logic that actually we can't be able to wear black t-shirt under the hot sun because it will absorb the heat. How can I say that? Okay, just absorb the heat and then you may feel really hot when you are walking down the street. So I didn't know the logic, so I wore that thing, okay? Because I would like to look a little bit special because I love Spice Girl at that time, so that's why I bought that shirt, okay? Okay, so we went on the Lenseng bus, okay? I think it costs around like 20 to 30 cents per trip. So there is a bus conductor to collect our money. So when we went out to the bus ride, you have to find a place to sit first. Then the bus conductor, bus conductor will approach you and they will need you to pay the fund. Okay, they will need you to pay the fee. Okay, it's around 30 cents per trip. So and then they will give you a ticket. So to prove that you have already paid for the trip. Okay, that's the experience and that's the memory regarding a Lenseng bus. Okay, this is the second bus. Okay, and the third one will be mini bus, the pink color one. I still remember when I was in secondary school, I did sit on mini bus and also intra-quarter. Okay, this one is still considered the different one. Okay, mini bus, they don't have aircon, so it's much more similar to Lenseng bus. So you can wind down the window, so you may enjoy the wind while you were sitting in the bus because it's really hot. They don't have fan, they don't have aircon, so you have to sit on the side. Just pick a place to sit and then you just go with it with the wind. Okay, yeah. So this one, mini bus, because I don't really go with myself. I went with my friends because we went to see a performance. So they have already rent a mini bus, so we have to sit on, and yeah. So that's the story. So yeah, and then besides mini bus, we have intra-quarter as well. But intra-quarter is a more higher class. It's a more higher standard of bus compared to Lenseng bus and mini bus because they don't have aircon, but intra-quarter has. Okay, so I still remember I went to sit this intra-quarter with one of my friend. Okay, this one is a little bit more costly. it cost us like 50 to 80 cents per trip. So I still remember that you have to step up when the door opens, okay, when the door swings open, okay, so you have to drop your coins into a container. Yeah, cost you like, I don't know, 50 or 80 cent, depends on the trip that you would like to go to. If I'm not mistaken, I can't really recall, maybe you can tell me, is there any bus conductor for intra-quarter besides Lansing and minibus? Because minibus and Lansing definitely they did have a bus conductor, but I'm not sure about intra-quarter because it was way long time ago. Please tell me if you know the story whether they have a bus conductor or not. But I still remember we have to drop the coins into a container. I don't know whether the ticket will print out from a place or something. I can't really recall. Please tell me, okay? Please tell me. So that was my memory and experience regarding on sitting, bus persiaran, minibus, Lansing and intra-quarter. It was a nice memory because now we barely see minibus because it definitely has been demolished, I guess. Yes, it has been demolished, so we can't really see minibus anymore. Lansing, I don't think so. Intra-quarter, I don't think so. But now it's other kind of services, bus company, okay? If you know about it, you may let me know as well because I've not been sitting bus for quite some time, so you may update me, okay? So 今日咧同大家就係講住咁多啦，就係關於我對於Lansing bus、bus persiaran、mini bus 同埋 intra-quarter 啲印象同埋記憶嘅，好嘢！希望大家會中意啦 ，OK？ 所以如果你哋有啲咩故仔想同我講關於巴士嘅話咧，你哋可以留低你哋嘅口述話俾我聽 ，OK？So if you have any story or topic regarding on this public transport, which is bus, which is mini bus or Lansing bus or intra-quarter, do you have any story you would like to share? You may leave a message below and let me know, okay? So 下個禮拜我將會放假一日 ，so 多一個禮拜我先會見大家嘅。So if you have, so I'll be taking an off next week. So I'll be seeing you guys after 1 week. So if you guys have any topic that you would like me to talk about, you may leave the message below and let me know, okay? I'll see you guys 一個禮拜之後 ，OK？ ขอบคุณมากครับเจอกันแล้วทุกคน